Abafethu bathi uThibos awuthami ngicela ungitshela igame yafana khibole kanjani.
Before ku jotsa ka game yafana ga wetsa mistake or bafana one. Okay. A ke batle ne retse politika po ne retse eng. I'm not sure go really players tsa Pirates go go coach ya Pirates ka go le supporter na. But ke bone Pirates ile yona ka groundong ile Pirates e korang. Because le bolo mo etswang teng hore e thole mbule e tswa ho magopa ke ena player Pirates. Otherwise game le we ke boneng ka teng ke bone game ile sharp bafana the we preparing ka teng to go to AFCON ai game sharp.
Really sharp. So kupa onjwetsa awutwakane looking at today's starting lineup, was there any player that you were hoping to see but ongazange uzolibone ku lineup today?
Lineup nya today inesi surprising inesi jwa ne. How ka shaba Hugo Bros le coach wa dune. The starting 11 tsa bona. You can't predict hore na o tlo kenya mang ka potlo etsa eng. But knowing game ya today o rabaneng ona tlamile a fe majita man chance e le reng ha so tsala ha so etse eng ne. Ke bone starting 11 sa fana se le sharp ne ke nka re ho kene mang o tswe mang ka potlo but whoever ke ene mfandaga ke bone thongolong le sharp. Ne ke dutse ka mora bench. There was a time CBC limits and then Ngezana he was trying to stand up and I said you mapunyana I think ke bone Modau le Williams ba mo hanela ba re ne fa mfano ke mamfano o
The one who plays in QPR, I forgot his name, the 20-year-old boy.
Yes. Ke bone ba re yena I am then tila yema aya ka mara dipalo shapa di mo mapunyana o ngwe fana o tsibisi tla ba sharp but the spirit is setting ba fana ke ntwe ke ratang.
Thank you, Akhmat Laka. So my last question, looking at today's game, your man of the match for today, Lili Kalele Kamnando bani mfethu.
Man of the match I don't know because give you Pirates. Ngwana se si ke ena abapetse 90 minutes and he was there ka di build up ka eng. He was there a defender, he was there on the middle, a protector, bafana belo reking, ba fihla ba soka ba sharp. Ngwana se si ke ena
Ke abonga kakhulu mfethu. Thanks a lot, my brother.